Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And in today's video, we're gonna talk about how to fix Instagram Reels or video keep freezing. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app, and for example, if you're watching a video or a reel on Instagram, but the video it just doesn't play, and here the first thing I recommend to do is to first close the app. So swipe it left to close the app, and then you can open it up. The second thing that you can do to fix this problem is to swipe from the top right corner of your screen and then turn off the Wi-Fi, because sometimes the internet might be slow. So, and connect again to your Wi-Fi. And the last thing that you can do, we're gonna tap on your settings. After that, we're gonna scroll all the way down and we're gonna tap on apps, and then hit the second option, manage apps. Scroll all the way down and look for Instagram. Tap on clear data, then clear cache and confirm. So that will refresh the app, and then here open up the app again, and that should fix your problem. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.